Hello friends, hope everyone is fine and in good health. Today I'll share the second step towards financial planning. Let's start with a question. What is the major difference that God has created between human being and animals? Any guesses? Yes, dreams. And I feel dreams are the only burning desire and motivating factor which makes us to work harder towards the achievement of our and our family dreams. Dreams are always dynamic and emotional. Dynamic in the sense it keeps on changing as per the different life stages of an individual. Like when a child is born, we start planning about medical expenses, education and marriage, many more. Once he is young and starts his career, he starts dreaming about having expensive gadgets, then spending on bike. Once they get married, their dreams changes into having their own house, own luxurious car. They become young parents. The story of needs, want, desire and dream goes on. And most often, in order to chase our dreams, we end up into loans and liabilities. Everybody has a loan. Nobody is alone in the world. Ultimately, to fulfill the dreams of each and every member of the family lies on the bread earner of the family. Definitely, if we are healthy and alive, we will try our best effort by hook or crook to provide the happiness to our family by fulfilling their dreams. But have you ever thought who will fulfill the financial responsibilities and dreams of your family if you are not there in your family, or you are not in a position to earn income due to any critical illness or permanent total disability? Undoubtedly, friends, in your absence, no one can replace the emotional loss to your family. But at least while we are alive, we can take such effective measures so that we can protect the financial responsibility and safeguard your family from sacrificing their needs, wants and the dreams which you have planned for them. I've already shared in my earlier video that uncertainty never comes by knocking the door. This is the truth of our life, friends, that death is certain, but when is uncertain. So, are you prepared for that? Have you made any provision for that? Here comes our second step towards our financial planning. There are three types of risk in life. The first, risk of dying too early. Second, risk of loss of income due to any critical illness. And third, the risk of loss of income due to any total permanent disability. The most important and economical way to protect the financial responsibilities of your family in your absence is to have a term insurance. Term insurance is a pure protection insurance plan which promises to pay the benefit to the nominee or legal heir in case of the demise of the insured during the term of the policy. There is no maturity benefit. Hence, term plan is the only affordable way to provide the financial security to your family and loved ones in your absence. Let us understand the few terminologies we should know before taking a term insurance. The first is sum assured. Sum assured is the amount which is being paid to the nominee or legal heir in case of the demise of insured. There are certain factors which needs to be considered in order to decide the sum assured amount. Let us understand that with a calculation. So this calculation will help you to understand that actually what should be the amount of life cover you need to cover the non-negotiable expenses of your family in your absence. So it's just an hypothetical example where I've taken the current age of the individual is 36 years and the number of dependent is 3, wife and 2 kids. Hypothetically the annual income I have taken 12 lakhs per annum. फैमिली का एनुअली नॉन नेगोशिएबल एक्सपेंसेस 8 लाख रुपीस है और इंडिविजुअल का जो एक्सपेंस है दैट इज़ अराउंड 2 लाख. तो इन हिज एब्सेंस हम उसके एक्सपेंसेस को माइनस कर देते हैं फ्रॉम टोटल एक्सपेंसेस. तो 8 माइनस 2 इट कम्स टू 6 लाख. नाउ नॉर्मली जो अर्निंग एज होती है इंडिविजुअल की दैट इज़ 60 ईयर्स. इफ़ समथिंग हैपन्स टू हिम, so the remaining number of years the family will need the fund in this example is for 24 years. So 6 lakh multiplied by 24 years, which comes around 1 crore 44 lakh is the fund family will need to cover his regular living expenses. Now the next important thing comes loans. In order to fulfill our dreams and desires, we end up into loans and liabilities. So I have taken ki home loan 50 lakh and suppose if he has a car loan of 7 lakhs. So ultimately the family has to pay off these loans, which comes to 57 lakhs. Now second important thing is that there are some big pocket expenses which the family has to bear in the future. It includes children higher education, their wedding, then the partner will also need the retirement or any contingency fund to cover his expenses for his remaining years of life, which comes around 90 lakhs. So 1 crore 44 lakh added loan part 57 and the big pocket expenses 90 lakh, which comes to 2 crore 91 lakhs. अब 36 ईयर्स है तो उसने कुछ ना कुछ तो सेविंग्स करी होगी और कुछ इंश्योरेंस भी होगा. तो आई हैव टेकन कि उसके पास 3 lakhs की सेविंग है एंड ही इज़ ऑलरेडी हैविंग एन इंश्योरेंस ऑफ 50 lakhs. इट कम्स टू 53 lakh. तो और हमारे कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से ही विल बी नीडिंग 2 crore 91 lakh. उसमें से हमने 53 lakhs को माइनस कर दिया. सो नाउ द सम एश्योर्ड or you can say the total additional insurance cover the individual will need is 2 crore 38 lakhs. Second is premium. Premium is the price which you have to pay to get that sum assured or life cover. Premium depends on factors like your age, income, any critical illness, etc. Friends, you might have not opted for term plan yet. I guess you must be having 1 CR in your bank account, or you rely or have trust in your friends and family members, and social security or government will take care of the financial responsibilities of your family. Or if you believe that God is there to take care of everything, तो फ्रेंड्स आई टेल यू भगवान भी उन्हीं की मदद करता है जो खुद की मदद करते हैं. एंड इफ यू थिंक दैट यू आर इमॉर्टल, ट्रस्ट मी फ्रेंड्स, एज अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर आई वुड रिकमेंड यू दैट इफ यू रियली लव योर फैमिली एंड यू वांट दैट योर फैमिली शुड stay or live with the same dignity and self-respect even in the case of your absence, then term insurance is the only economical way to protect your family financial needs in case of your absence. Hope you like the insights. Request you to please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And stay connected for my next release. Thanks, take care, stay safe, stay home.